Elgato sent me the Elgato Stream Deck Pedal. What is this? Basically an Elgato Stream Deck that you can use with your feet with 3 buttons. So let's unpack it and see how it works. Unlike the other Elgato boxes, this one has one of these strips that you have to pull. I haven't seen that on any of the Elgato boxes before. Ooh. Okay. It does open smoothly. It has a manual, middle pedal stoppers, spring set 2000, spring set 1400, spring set 1000, spring set 700. So it seems like you can change the pressure you have to put on the feet pedal by changing out the springs in it. And then this seems to be the cable that you connect to your PC. The rest is empty. I got the foot pedal out already. I gotta try to not have any plastic waste, so these bags are not from plastic. Let's pull it out. Ooh. Okay. Feels pretty smooth. See the back? Ooh, that's iron. It's cold. I didn't expect it to be cold. So it seems like you can change these springs out inside. And I think you'll be able to open them with these screws, but I guess we have to read the manual to be able to do it. No. So it says unscrew it and then just remove the plate, this iron plate I think, and then you can remove these springs and put in different springs, and they say soft, medium and hard, and they basically explain what they mean. And these knobs. Yeah, so if you put the knobs in, these things, the foot pedal in the middle would just a normal rest stand for your feet instead of like an actual button. But I don't think you want that because the more buttons the better, right? I mean, for me. Okay, so this cable, one side goes in here, other side goes in PC. It's as simple as that. And then what you need to do is you need to install the Stream Deck software and then basically just use it as a Stream Deck. So I've put the USB inside the USB port. So now we're ready to go. I was looking at Twitter before, but now I see this Elgato logo popped up here. I don't know if I can get rid of that. That would be nice because I don't really want that to be in my screen all the time. Do you want to copy profiles from another Stream Deck? Don't copy. No, we don't want to copy any profiles for this new one. And it says welcome. Oh, here, there's a little X. Okay, we can get rid of it. Nice. Because I don't want to see that in my screen the whole time. Yeah, there's probably also a way to back up with the settings or something. We can set the color. There's some indication light here, which is blue. I'm not sure if that's the color they mean. Let's make it a different color and then press OK. Oh yeah, now it's a different color. Let's make it green, because green seems to be a color for things are good to go, right? Green. Okay, nice. Put it back on the ground, because that's where, it's supposed to be, right? Okay, check for updates. It's a Stream Deck Pedal. Sensitivity. Oh, okay, we can put the sensitivity of the button. Oh boy, I pressed the, oh no, I pressed the middle mouse button and that actually went to the Elgato website because that was the welcome one. So we can set the sensitivity of these buttons right now. And we can connect it to our accounts and profiles, just like we do with a normal Stream Deck. So if you used the Stream Deck before, this will look very familiar. I'm gonna delete this button because I'm gonna press that a lot, just accidentally, but by trying out the, the pedal. Now, the foot pedal is basically 3 buttons, so the left button, the middle button, and the right button. And they're all just Stream Deck buttons. We can add anything a normal Stream Deck can do to one of these buttons. What I think would be the best reasons to use the foot pedal is that you want to switch camera angles or something else that you can't do with your hands. For example, if you're playing guitar and you want to switch a scene to be a close-up of the guitar, we can do that with the feed by switching the source in OBS. Another cool thing you can do is use Discord. Because the Stream Deck software just also announced an update where you can interact with your Discord, we can actually also mute our mic and stuff like that with the pedal. So if we do mute mic on the right button, just make sure to title them clearly so you know what happens. Please launch Discord. So I don't have Discord open right now, but if we launch it, it will probably connect. It says request access now, so we click that. And then we allow the username and everything. It cannot bake a cake for us, sadly. So we authorize it. If you go back now, we can mute and unmute our mic with this button. As you see the graphic chains on it right now. If we would go to Discord and we would jump in a voice channel. Here we go, we are in a voice channel. And then I would press the foot pedal. You will see that it mutes me. And I can unmute myself like this. If we go back here, we can see we can also do push to talk instead. of muting the mic, so we replace this. So now it basically instantly mutes us in Discord, and if we press the button, we can talk. You do not have to set it on push to talk in your Discord settings, so keep this at voice activation, because the Stream Deck software basically overrides the Discord software and mutes you automatically. And then when you press the button, it does unmute you, and then it works like that. If you like it to be the opposite around, you can do push to mute. Then every time you hit the foot pedal, then it will mute instead of like activate your mic. Then we can also open text channels with it, or deafen. Deafen is also going to be very helpful, because if we go back to Discord, here we go, here's Discord, and we talk, and we say something, I don't know, to the other streamer that we're streaming with, and then you're gonna get subs or something like that, and the person's doing a story, but you don't want to hear it because, you know, things are happening in your stream. So now we're deafened, and we're not anymore. So now we can't hear the other person in Discord. Thank you so much, Elgato, for sending me the foot pedal to test it out and to show you guys how it works and if it's something for you, so you can decide if you want it or not.